Happy Wednesday, everyone. I just stopped by another job over in Silver Landing. Getting ready to set this beautiful fire pit. Pre-plumbed. Beautiful shell 12 by 24 pavers. Also 24 by 24s. I love this contrasting silver sand shell coping. Really beautiful. Got our sheer waterfalls, expanded view screen. I love the integration with the turf. That's just a beautiful job right there. And then we put some grass down. You know, that's not the fun part, right? Look at all the decorating they did. Beautiful glass tile across the back of the raised wall. Turned out nice. They did some nice decorating. Nice furniture, beautiful outdoor kitchen. Very custom work up there on the screen room. On a mansard style roof for this beautiful view. Another job in the history books. So y'all have a blessed day, and we'll see you on the next one. God bless. See ya.